Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the STREBITO Precision Screwdriver Set 142-piece plus 2-piece suction cups bundle. If you're into electronics repair, DIY projects, or just need a reliable toolkit, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. This bundle includes a comprehensive 142-piece precision screwdriver set and 2 high-quality suction cups. The screwdriver set contains 120 bits and 24 practical accessories, making it perfect for various repairs. The suction cups are designed to safely grip and lift displays and glass panels, making them ideal for LCD screen removal. The screwdriver set covers a wide range of devices, from cell phones to laptops, game consoles, tablets, and more. These cups are a game changer for display removal, reducing the risk of cracks and damages. Each mini suction cup can hold up to 13 pounds, ensuring a secure grip. The ergonomic handle and specially formulated rubber pad make the suction cups user-friendly. STREBITO offers a lifetime warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. The screwdriver set includes must-have accessories like a magnetizer, magnetic mat, ESD tweezers, spudger, and more. The magnetic mat keeps tiny screws organized, preventing them from getting lost. The magnetizer-demagnetizer tool ensures you have the right magnetism for your screws. The toolkit is neatly organized in a tear-resistant and shock-proof Oxford bag for easy storage and portability. In conclusion, the STREBITO Precision Screwdriver Set 142-piece plus 2-piece suction cups bundle is a must-have for anyone into electronics repair or DIY projects. With a wide range of bits, practical accessories, and the added bonus of strong suction cups, it offers exceptional value. Don't forget the lifetime warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. It's a win-win. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching.